This video was created by Floyd Bishop to show some results from Hedra. As you will see in this video, things are pretty good. This was made at the end of June 2024. We try a few different things in this video, so if you are interested in AI generation, enjoy.
Very stylized characters are not really possible with this system. It seems the software looks for landmarks on what is assumed to be a standard proportioned human head. The system uses Character 1.
Character 1 is a new AI model for creating realistic and fully controllable characters, capable of expressive talking, singing, and rapping with potentially infinite durations, register, generate audio from text, or upload your own, create a character from a photo, AI image, or text, then generate.
Many times you can tell an AI video from little tells, like you are seeing around the edges of my hair. Necks also sometimes give things away, but as you can see, this is handled much better in Hedra. It's only a matter of time before they get everything else dialed in. It's interesting to watch.
Eyebrows are done pretty well. Lids are passable, and even the mouth corners show promise. Teeth are sometimes weird with some morphing present. The overall movement is passable, and for a background character, may even be production ready at this stage. Impressive.
Some characters are more forgiving than others. They also sometimes cause other issues. The more stylized, the more errors get amplified, which is interesting. It's usually the other way around. This is still early days, and things are this good already. What do you think? Is this passable?
Faces generated by Hedra seem to do much better than those generated elsewhere. I wonder if there are some structural landmarks built into the prompts. I was generated in Hedra, and I look pretty good. At least, I think so. Laughing is strange. Ha 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 ha.
More testing is needed, but it is easy to go down the rabbit hole. The voices and images generated by Hedra, when combined with the movement, create some interesting results that would probably work well for most applications. Full body is not really possible yet. Talking head stuff works just fine.
Tattoos seem to be working well here. We see some morphing on the fine hairs on the flyaways up top. It would be nice to get some motion or something in the background, but that's not really the focus here. Lighting is handled very well, and shapes maintain their volume for the most part. Nice. We see some blurring of details, and on more extreme movements, some warping and loss of structure occurs. The motion is 100% driven by the code, and you have no input here as to how things move. It can be interesting. High energy motion is not really present. We are also limited to 300 characters.
While I said that stylized characters are not possible, this one generated by Hedra itself seems to be okay. The voice selection is not great, but you can also upload your own audio. I'll do that soon with some music I created in Suno AI.
Some AI voice models have a very specific sound, like this one, almost like a filter is on it. I sound like a radio DJ, something like you might hear on the radio on the way to work. Remember radio? Hell, remember going to work? Anyway, let's see how this does with imported audio. Singing.
Oh, yeah. Imported sound I got from Suno AI. It can only do 30 seconds, so give it a try. Music and voice are all AI. The lyrics are custom. Your preconceived notions, we all bust them. Woo!
Well, that was something. Anyway, as you can see, the tech has potential. There are some little things that look weird, but overall it's pretty solid. Stay tuned, folks. Our next clip is so sharp, it's like AI-generated eye candy.
Whispers in the night echo through the trees. Soft the windows call, secrets on the breeze. light guides the way. Stars be
While these results are impressive, it is far from real time. That being said, a 30-second clip was taking only about 3 minutes or less to generate. Clips that use Hedra images and voice seem to solve faster than those that use imported audio or images. The generations that use Hedra seem best.
So there you have it. I did nothing to alter the videos, just edit them together. The results are raw, right from Hedra. They are not endorsing this video. I made it just to test things out and see where they are. The future of AI is bright. Keep watching this channel for more AI goodness.
Be sure to like and subscribe. I am trying to learn as much as I can about all aspects of AI, and perhaps you are too. There will be many more AI experiments in the future, and I will be sure to clearly label all AI work as such. Embrace the technology and see how you can apply it to your own work.